Natural disasters can strike at any moment. Are you prepared to protect your home and finances? Welcome back to the Economic Survival Guide. Today, we're covering a critical topic: disaster insurance. From floods and earthquakes to wildfires and hurricanes, having the right insurance coverage is essential for protecting your assets and financial security. But with so many options, how do you choose the right policy for your need? Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know about disaster insurance so you can make the best choice for your situation. First, let's talk about why disaster insurance is so important. Disaster insurance is not just a policy, it's a safeguard for your financial future. Protecting your assets and financial stability covers repair and replacement costs. When disaster strikes, the cost to repair or replace your property can be overwhelming. Disaster insurance provides the funds needed to repair or replace damaged property, minimizing the financial burden on homeowners, renters, and businesses. Ensures quick recovery. Having the right insurance means you can recover faster by getting funds for temporary housing, debris removal, and rebuilding efforts. Without insurance, many families face long delays and added stress while trying to rebuild. Mitigates debt risk. Without insurance, you might need to rely on savings, loans, or credit, which can quickly lead to debt or long-term financial instability. Compliance with mortgage lenders and local regulations. Lender requirements. If you have a mortgage, your lender might require specific types of insurance like flood or earthquake coverage, depending on where your property is located. Not having the required insurance could put you at risk of foreclosure. Local building codes and laws. In some areas, local governments mandate insurance coverage for properties in high-risk zones to protect community resilience and ensure rapid recovery. Now, let's dive into the different types of disaster insurance and what they cover. Flood insurance. What it covers. Flood insurance covers damage caused by flooding, including heavy rainfall, storm surges, and broken levees. This includes both building and contents coverage. Building coverage protects the physical structure of your home, including walls, flooring, and electrical systems. Contents coverage covers personal belongings such as furniture, electronics, and valuables. What it does not cover. Flood insurance usually doesn't cover damage from moisture, mildew, or mold that could have been avoided, or damage to vehicles and valuable papers. How to obtain it. Flood insurance is typically purchased through the National Flood Insurance Program, NFIP, or private insurers. It's especially important for properties in flood-prone areas. Earthquake insurance. What it covers. Earthquake insurance covers damage from seismic activity, such as ground shaking and landslides triggered by an earthquake. Dwelling coverage pays for repairing or rebuilding your home. Personal property coverage covers belongings damaged by the quake. Additional living expenses, ALE, coverage provides funds for temporary housing if your home is uninhabitable. What it does not cover excludes damage from landslides, tsunamis, or sinkholes, unless directly related to the earthquake. How to obtain it. Usually bought as a separate policy through private insurers or state-run programs like the California Earthquake Authority, CEA. Hurricane and windstorm insurance. What it covers. Covers damage caused by high winds, hail, and other storm-related events, particularly in hurricane-prone areas. Structure coverage protects the physical structure of your home. Contents coverage covers personal belongings inside the home. Loss of use coverage provides funds for temporary housing if your home is uninhabitable. What it does not cover. Typically does not cover flooding caused by a hurricane or storm surge, which requires separate flood insurance. How to obtain it. Often needs to be purchased separately in coastal areas where the risk is highest. Wildfire insurance. What it covers. Wildfire insurance protects against damage from fire, including wildfires. Structure coverage pays for repairs or replacement of the home. Contents coverage covers personal belongings. AL coverage reimburses for temporary living expenses. What it does not cover may exclude damage from smoke or ash that doesn't involve direct fire damage. How to obtain it. Often included in standard homeowners policies, but additional coverage may be needed in high-risk areas. Ownal coverage is often necessary. Volcanic eruption insurance. What it covers. Covers damage from volcanic eruptions, including lava flow, ashfall, and shock waves. Dwelling and personal property coverage pays for repairs to the home and belongings. AIL coverage covers temporary housing if needed. What it does not cover excludes damage from earthquakes, landslides, and floods unless specifically covered. How to obtain it? Often included in standard policies, but may require additional riders or endorsements. Choosing the right disaster insurance involves understanding your risks, knowing your policy options, and making informed decisions. Assess your risk exposure, geographic considerations. Determine which disasters are most likely to affect your area based on location. For example, coastal areas are more prone to hurricanes, while inland regions may face more flood risks. Property vulnerability. Evaluate your property's vulnerability based on elevation, proximity to water, construction materials, and building age. These factors can significantly impact the type and amount of coverage you need. Understand policy coverage and exclusions coverage limits. Ensure your coverage limits are sufficient to rebuild or replace your property. Don't settle for the market value of your home. Make sure your policy covers the full cost of rebuilding. Deductibles and exclusions. Understand deductibles for different types of disasters. Know what's excluded to avoid surprises when you file a claim. For example, many policies exclude secondary damage, like mold from untreated water damage. Compare multiple insurance providers. Get multiple quotes. Shop around and compare quotes from different providers. Premiums and coverage details can vary widely. Consider bundling. Look for discounts by bundling multiple types of insurance, such as home, auto, and disaster insurance. Work with an insurance professional personalized guidance. Consult an insurance agent or broker who specializes in disaster insurance. They can provide tailored advice based on your specific needs and location. Claims assistance. An agent can also help with the claims process if a disaster occurs, ensuring you maximize your coverage benefits. Regularly review and update your insurance coverage. Annual reviews. Review your policies yearly to ensure they align with current risks. As climate patterns change, so do risk levels. After major life changes, update your coverage after significant events like buying a new home, completing major renovations, or adding valuable possessions. Understanding disaster insurance is key to protecting your property and financial stability. By knowing your risks, choosing the right coverage, and staying informed, you can ensure you're prepared for whatever nature may throw your way. Thanks for watching the Economic Survival Guide. If you found this video helpful, check out these other videos for more strategies to help you thrive. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking the icon right here and stay updated with all our latest content. See you in the next one.